Heat, that's going to be the big talk of town across the area today. Once again, we can't get rid of it just yet. So up until midnight tomorrow night, we are still under the heat advisory for all the counties in lower Michigan, including all of our counties. So that means that we could see heat index values later today above 100, possibly as high as 105 degrees. So please be extra cautious if you have to do anything strenuous outside or you're doing any physical activity. Make sure you're staying hydrated and try and take those frequent breaks, because we're not going to get much help from Mother Nature in the form of rain, aside from more isolated showers and storms that will develop. We had a few that were in northern lower interior yesterday, also some through Tuscola County. Not seeing any out there right now, and it will be few and far between again this afternoon. So as we look at your temperatures, it's already warm. 75 in Lapeer this morning, 76 in Grand Blanc, Freeland at 74, along with Midland, where it's 76 in Gladwin. No relief from the heat even as you head up north. Yesterday, even the UP making it into the low 90s. So we've got a pretty stubborn bubble of high pressure overhead. High pressure has sinking air beneath it. As that air sinks, it becomes compressed between the surface and the air aloft, and it kind of squeezes it together, and that makes it hotter. We call that compressional heating, and until this bubble of high pressure will scoot out to the east, we'll still be under the influence of that sinking air, meaning that we heat up every afternoon. So how hot are we going to get today? Well, with all the sunshine out there, I'm expecting a high right around 94 degrees, but there is some relief in sight. That's the good news. This is not going to be an extended period of heat beyond a week or so like it was last year, where we had several weeks of heat. Here's the bubble of high pressure. You can clearly make it out where we have no cloud cover. You've got the winds that are on the south side of this area of high pressure moving towards the west, and that's why the clouds are moving in that direction. Towards the east on the northern side of the high pressure as it flows clockwise, and that northern side is finally going to start to break up a little bit and allow that front to sag towards the south. And as that front moves south, it will run into this very warm and humid air. So an isolated pop-up storm here and there today. We lose all of that threat overnight tonight when the sun sets, but then tomorrow that front collides with the warm, moist, and unstable air, and there is a slight chance we could see some stronger storms along the leading edge of that boundary as it moves into northern lower sections tomorrow afternoon. So right now the Storm Prediction Center highlighting our northern communities from Clare to West Branch, Houghton Lake, Oscoda, and also over towards Tawas. These are the areas that will have the potential to see a strong storm or two tomorrow afternoon. Friday afternoon, this green area will sag to the south and include all of us, and Friday afternoon's threat looks a little bit more of a risk for severe weather than what tomorrow does. So a lot to get to as we head from Thursday into Friday, but at least for your Wednesday, your hump day, we're looking at not a severe threat, but we are looking at some severe heat with highs back up to 94. Again, heat index possibly over 100. 93 tomorrow. Then as we go to Friday, because of that front moving in with the clouds, showers, and thunderstorms, temperatures will be closer to 90, and then a beautiful, beautiful stretch of weather ahead for us from Saturday into Tuesday. Wow, we're going from the mid-90s today into the mid-70s for highs on Sunday, so a good 20-degree temperature drop, Joel, ahead for us. A lot of good stuff to look forward to.